Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your guy Mr. TECHFOX here, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own TikTok account right on your phone. We are doing this live together, so grab your phone, make sure you have got internet or Wi-Fi, and let's jump right in. But I have a request, please hit that subscribe button if you are new in this channel. So first of all, we have to download the TikTok app. Head over the Play Store if you are using Android phone or App Store if you are using an iPhone. And then you have to type on the search bar TikTok. So since I am using Android right now, so I'm gonna open this Play Store and then I'm gonna search here TikTok. And after then you have to install it. And here you can see that I already have installed it on my phone. So I'm clicking on this update button. And after opening the TikTok app, you will see an interface like this. You can actually watch videos without an account, but if you want to like, comment or post videos, you will need to sign up. So let's tap the profile icon. Here it is. And now you will see some options. You can sign up using phone or email or username, continue with Facebook or continue with your Google account. So as we don't have any account, we have to create an account, and to do that, normally click on this sign up button. And here you can create your account using your phone number. On the other hand, if you want to use your Google account, you can click on it. So to create a TikTok account in a fastest way is using your Gmail account. So you can click on it. And from here, you can choose any of your Google account to create your TikTok account. For example, I'm choosing this one. And then you have to choose your birthday. So I'm choosing my birthday from here. And then click on this continue button, and then click on this OK button. Continue again. And now you have to provide your nickname here. I'm just giving it a nickname, and click on this continue button. And I'm just clicking on this don't allow button. And that's it. Now you can add a profile picture here, write a short bio, link your Instagram or YouTube if you want, and you are ready to go. Thanks for watching. This is Mr. TECHFOX signing off. Allah Hafiz.